Today you'll learn what's chorus effect and how to use it. So chorus effect uses two delays that, affected by the time modulation, result in a flanging sort of sound. Chorus is great for adding tension to your tracks and for making your sound wider. Also, it is a great tool to spice up your sound. With these sliders, you can adjust the time of the delays. By clicking that equal sign, the time of the first delay equals the time of the second one. Delay 1 has a high-pass filter and delay 2 has 3 modes. Off, which means that delay 2 is simply turned off. Fix, only delay 1's delay time will be modulated. Mode, delay 2 will receive the same modulation as delay 1. Amount represents the amount of the modulation and rates the speed. Modulation window allows you to visually see the amount and rate by positioning this orange circle. You can also drag the circle or set the amount and rate separately. You can also multiply rate by 20 to create even more extreme sound. Also, reversing a polarity results in a changing the timbre of the sound. Feedback determines how much of the output signal is going back to the input. And the Dryad knob allows you to mix the original signal with the effect.